Hi, Jimmy Schaefer here with RealReach Marketing and Productions, and another episode of Jim's Gems. I want to talk to you a little bit about search engine optimization, SEO, more specifically, local search engine optimization. If you have a local business or service, it's crucial to show up in the Google 3-pack. That's the 3 map listings. They get 33% of the clicks on the Google search results page. Or under that is the organic results for that search, and they get 44% of the results. So there are 5 factors that Google uses to determine your ranking on those pages. The first one is proximity. So how close is the person searching for car rental agency? You can outrank them if you do everything right and they may have done something wrong. There's a possibility to get above them. So you want to make sure that these other 4 things that I'm going to talk about, you do very accurately and you do them correctly, and you may be able to outrank and at least be at the top. So on-page factors, that's what happens actually on your website or your page. Are you using keywords? Is your geography there? Your Lutz, Florida SEO. We want to make sure that your location is there. Do you have a YouTube video? YouTube is owned by Google. Do you have a YouTube embedded that's pertinent to those keywords? Very huge factor. Google My Business listing. I could do a whole segment on just Google My Business listings. Do you have your categories right? Do you have photos? You can even take those photos and the 360 that actually have the geotagged in them. So you're really giving Google, Google knows the GPS is actually at that place. We can do that for you. Bring in a 360 camera and do a 360 of your business. Google loves that. Citations. That's where else you are online. So a citation is where else you're listed. You can go to a couple websites. I'll list them down here that you can go to put your business in and see your citations. So Google would be one, Bing is another, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages are all citations. And you need to make sure that they call it a NAP, name, address, and phone number, is identical in each of those. If you abbreviated the state, abbreviate the state. If you're in a suite, make sure it's exactly the same as it's listed on Google. And the last one is backlinks. So having those citations filled out is one way to get backlinks. There's backlinks are sometimes challenging, but there are some ways to get great backlinks that are pertinent to your industry. So you want to have someone linking to you that is something to do with your industry. And we do that all here in-house for you. So there's some, again, very, very detailed, it's very time consuming, but we can take care of that for you and make sure that you rank on Google in those listings. Thanks, I hope you learned a little something today, and like, share, and subscribe.